Oh, this is 589. 589. Oh, 589. Kenworth. There's a Kenworth. Kenworth. Thank you. International LT. Bus. A bus. Oh, look at that bus. That bus. Peterbilt 567. A Mack Granite. A Mack Granite. Mack Granite this time. I think it's the same one. Yes, the same one. We got a Freightliner Custodian and a T680. T6. Yeah! Two of them at the same time. Freightliner and Kenworth. Hey, Mack Granite. Mack Granite. Oh, Mack. Hopped out with the horn. A Peterbilt, Kenworth T680. Oh, there he is. Get low. I knew it. Freightliner Cascadia. Bro. What are you working for? Oh, it's the same one again? The same Freightliner Cascadia? Oh, it's what are you doing? Freightliner. Freightliner 125. Freightliner 126. Wait, no, 125. T680. Another one. T680. T680. T680.